Hi all. Sorry, got late for the link to send. Hi Anvita. Hi Rani. You able to see me? Oh, okay. Good, Anita. I'm doing good. I hope you all practiced well. Hi Charana Shreyat. Hi Moksha. Okay, so take deep breath 3 times and we'll say Omkaram, okay? Okay, we'll say 3 Oms and then Gananantra. गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्. Okay, we'll read from 95. Actually 96, okay. Sanatana. So we'll read together. All of you can read with me. सनातनतम कपिल कपिरव्ययः स्वस्तिद स्वस्तिकृत् स्वस्ति स्वस्तिभुक् स्वस्ति दक्षिणः अरौद्र कुण्डली चक्री विक्रम्योज्जित शासनः शब्दातिग शब्दसः शिशिर शर्वरीकरः अक्रूर पेशलो दक्षो दक्षिण क्षमिणां वरः विद्वत्तमो वीतभय पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः उत्तारणो दुष्कृतिः पुण्यो दुःस्वप्ननाशनः वीरः रक्षणः संतो जीवनपर्यवस्थितः अनन्तरूपोऽनन्तश्री जितमन्युर्भयापहः चतुरश्रो गभीरात्मा विदिशो व्यादिशो दिशः अनादि भूर्भुवो लक्ष्मी सुवीरो रुचिराङ्गदः जननो जनजन्मादिर्भीमो भीमपराक्रमः आधारनिलयो धाता पुष्पहासप्रजागरः ऊर्ध्वग सत्पथाचार प्राणद प्रणवपणः प्रमाणं प्राणनिलय प्राणभृत् प्राणजीवनः तत्त्वं तत्त्वविदेकात्मा जन्ममृत्युजरातिगः भूर्भुव स्वस्तरुस्तारा सविता प्रपितामहः यज्ञो यज्ञपतिर्यज्वा यज्ञाङ्गो यज्ञवाहनः यज्ञभृत् यज्ञकृत् यज्ञी यज्ञभुक् यज्ञसाधनः यज्ञान्तकृत् यज्ञगुह्यम् अन्नमन्नाद एव च आत्मयोनि स्वयं जातो वैखान सामगायनः देवकी नन्दन स्रष्टा क्षितीश पापनाशनः शङ्खभृत् नन्दकी चक्री शाङ्गधन्वा गदाधरः रथाङ्गपाणि रक्षोभ्य सर्वप्रहरणायुधः. So until this stanza we learned last time, before last week, not last week. Okay, we'll do from the next one, 108th one. Repeat 2 times. Sri Sarva Praharana. One more time. Sri Sarva Praharanayudha. Yudha. So line under D. Mahapranam. So stress on the dha. Sri Sarva Praharanayudha Om Nama Iti. Next one. Vanamali. Gadi Shangi. Gadi Shangi. Actually, there should be one or after A, before N, okay? Shangi. You have to say Shangi. SHAAN or N, okay? So write down R after A, before N, okay? I'll tell one more time. Vanamali Gadi Shangi. Shangi. So R is also there. So Shangi. You have to say Shangi. Okay. Shankhi. This is Mahapranam. So line under K. Chakri cha Nandaki. One more time. Vanamali Gadi Shangi. Shankhi Chakri cha Nandaki. Next line. Srimanarayano. Narayano. So line under N. Which N? So after YANO is there, right? So line under that N. NO. Okay. Narayano. Nara is the normal one. Nara. Yana. Narayana. Shriman. This is not Shriman. Shriman. It's a prolonged one. It's already there. Both A's are there. Shriman Narayano Vishnur. So Vishnur also it's Ana line under N. Shriman Narayano Vishnur. Vasudevobhirakshatu. Vasudevobhi. So line under B. So stress on the bha. Vasudevobhirakshatu. Okay, I will read whole line. Shri Sarva Praharanayudha Om Nama Iti Vanamali Gadishangi Shankhi Chakri Chanandaki Shriman Narayano Vishnur Vasudevo Bhirakshatu. So there is a repeat these three times, right? So whenever you chant the whole Vishnu Sahasranamam, so you have to chant this stanza, 108th stanza, three times. Okay. So remember that, and anyway, it's there on the paper. Okay. So now we are not doing three times. You have to remember it. Okay. Okay. Next one is it's not there in the paper, but this is called Phalashruti. Phalashruti means hearing of the benefits. What you are going to get. Okay. It's also called Uttara Pitika also. But you can write down Phalashruti. But you don't have to read that whenever you say, but just write down. It's a Phalashruti. Phalashruti and hearing of the benefits. Okay. You can write down. Okay. Itidam. Kirtaniyasya. Kirtaniyasya. Keshavasya. Mahatmanaha. It's easy one, right? It's not tongue twister. One more time. Itidam kirtaniyasya. Keshavasya Mahatmanaha. Next line. Nam Nam. Nam Nam. Both are prolonged ones. Okay. Nam Nam Sahasram. Divyanam. asheshana. This is ana. Asheshena. Asheshena prakirtitam. Prakirtitam. Okay, I'll read whole stanza. Itidam kirtaniyasya केशवस्य महात्मनः नाम्नां सहस्रं दिव्यानाम् अशेषेण प्रकीर्तितम्. Okay, next line. य इदं शृणुयात् नित्यं. शृणु is this is ana, so line under n. शृणुयात् नित्यं. यच्चापि यश्चापि यश्चापि परिकीर्तयेत्. परिकीर्तयेत्. I'll tell one more time. ययिदं शृणुयात् नित्यम्. यश्चापि परिकीर्तयेत्. Next line. नाशुभं. So line under B. So stress on the bha. नाशुभं प्राप्नुयात् किंचित्. प्राप्नुयात् किंचित्. Actually, this is only one word. This line is kind of little bit tongue twister. प्राप्नुयात् किंचित्. सोमुत्रेह च. सोमुत्रेह च. सोमुत्रेह च मानवः. So this meaning is, he who hears or sings it all without fail in all days of the year will never get into bad in this life and after. Okay, I'll tell one more time. Na shubham prapnuyat kinchit. सोमुत्रेह च मानवः. Okay, I will read whole stanza. य इदं शृणुयात् नित्यं यश्चापि परिकीर्तयेत् नाशुभं प्राप्नुयात् किंचित् सोमुत्रेह च मानवः. Okay, next line. वेदान्तगो. ब्राह्मणस्यात्. Brahmana. So this is line under N. Ana. Brahmana syat. Brahmana syat. It's one word. Okay. Tell one more time. Vedantago Brahmana syat. Kshatriyo. Vijayi bhavet. Bhavet. So line under B. So stress on the bha. Vijayi bhavet. Next line. Vaishyo. Dhana. So stress on the dha. So line under D. Vaishyo dhana samruddhasya. Samudrasya. So line under D. Samudra. Okay. Samruddha. Samruddhasya. Shudra. Sukha. Sukha. So line under K. So Mahapranam. Sukha mavapnuyat. I'll tell one more time. This is also kind of tongue twister. Vaishyo dhana samruddhasyat. Shudra sukha mavapnuyat. So this meaning is the Brahman will get knowledge, the Kshatriya will get victory, the Vaishya will get wealth, the Shudra will get pleasures by reading these. Okay? So I will read whole stanza. Vedantago Brahmanasyat Kshatriyo Vijayi Bhavet Vaishyo Dhana Samruddhasyat Shudra Sukha Mavapnuyat. Next line. Dharmardhi. So both D's are Mahapranams, both das. So line under both D's. Dharmardhi. T and D, sorry. Dharmarthi. Dharmarthi. Prapnuyat dharmam. Again, dharmam. So stress on the dha. So line under D. Prapnuyat dharmam. Ardharthi. Again, both D's are Das are Mahapranam. So line under both D's. Okay. Ardharthi. You know, this is also kind of tongue twister. So Chardha. Again, line under D. Chardha. Ardharthi. Chardha. chardha. So chardha, chardhamapnuyat. So line under T, okay? Ardharthi chardha mapnuyat. Line under T and both T's, sorry, not both T's. Ardharthi. Okay, I will read one more time. Dharmarthi prapnuyat dharmam ardharthi chardhamapnuyat. Actually, this should be D, not T. Ardharthi. So in Telugu, it's a correct. So write down D instead of T. So take out the T and write down D. Sorry, I think I didn't see this before. Ardharthi. Ardharthi. So not T. So D. Okay. And THE also, not THE, it's a D. DHE. Okay. And Chardha also, not T, it's a D. Okay. Write down to T, D instead of T. Ardhardi chardhamapnuyat. Next line. Kamana vapnu yatkami. Kamana vapnu yatkami. Okay. So you have to prolong me. Okay. It's already two E's are there. Kamana vapnu yatkami. Next line again as a T is there. So take out T and write down D. Prajardhi. Chapnuyat prajaha. Chapnuyat prajaha. Chapnuyat prajaha. I will tell one more time. Kamanavapnuyat kami. Prajardhi. Chapnuyat prajaha. So the meaning is he who seeks dharma, he who seeks wealth, he who seeks pleasure, he who seeks children will all without fail get what they want. Okay. So I'll read whole stanza. Dharmadhi prapnuyad dharmam ardharthi chardhamapnuyat कामान वाप्नुयात् कामी प्रजार्धी चाप्नुयात् प्रजाः. Okay, next line. Bhakti manya. So line under B. Bhakti. Bhakti manya. Sadothaya. Sadothaya. So line under both T's. So you have to stress on the tha. Sadothaya. Shuchi Sadgata. Shuchi Sadgata. Shuchi Sadgatamanasaha. I'll tell one more time. Bhaktimanya Sadothaya. Shuchi Sadgatamanasaha. Sahasram. Vasudevasya. Namna metat. Namna. Namnam etat. Prakirtayet. Okay, I will read whole stanza. Bhaktimanya Sadothaya. Shuchi Sadgata Manasaha. Sahasram Vasudevasya. Namnam etat prakirtayet. Namna. Actually, namnam etat. You have to say like this is one word, namnam etat, but shouldn't say namnam etat, namnam etat. So maybe you can underline from M-E-T-E-T, so that you can read together. Namnam etat. Okay, namnam etat prakirtayet. Okay, next line. Yasha. Prapnoti. Vipulam. Jnati. Jnati. Okay. Pradhanyamevacha. Pradhanya. So stress on the dha. So line under D. Pradhanyamevacha. So I'll tell one more time. Yasha prapnoti vipulam. Jnati pradhanyamevacha. Next line. Achalam. Achalam. So write down one more A. So after L, one A is there, right? But you can write down two A's. So so that you can prolonged achalam. Okay. Achalam Shriyamapnoti. Shreya. This is again kind of tongue twister. Prapnotya. Prapnotya. It's not a very difficult one, right? Prapnotya nuttamam. Prapnotya nuttamam. Okay. So I will read whole stanza. Yasha prapnoti vipulam ज्ञाति प्राधान्यमेव च अचलां श्रियमाप्नोति श्रेय प्राप्नोत्यनुत्तमं प्राप्नोत्य. Okay, I think in English it's very clear. Prapnotyanuttamam. Okay, next line. Na bhayam. Na bhayam. Bhayam అంటే తెలుసు కదా. Okay, so line under B. Na bhayam क्वचि दाप्नोति. क्वचि दाप्नोति. वीर्यं तेजश्च वीर्यं तेजश्च विन्दति. I'll tell one more time. न भयं क्वचिदाप्नोति वीर्यं तेजश्च विन्दति. Next line. Bhavatyarogo. So line under B. Stress on the bha. Bhavatyarogo. Dyutiman. Balarupa. Gunanvitaha. Gunan. So line under N. Gunanvitaha. Okay, I will read whole stanza. न भयं क्वचिदाप्नोति वीर्यं तेजश्च विन्दति भवत्यरोगो द्युतिमान् बलरूप गुणान्वितः. So next line. रोगार्तो मुच्यते रोगात् बद्धो. So line under D. बद्धो मुच्चेत. बंधनात्. So line under D. Stress on the dha. बंधनात्. I will tell one more time. रोगार्तो मुच्यते. रोगात्. बद्धो. Oh, I think I didn't tell. Baddho also. So line under both D's, okay? Baddho mucceta bandhanat. So next line. Bhayan mucceta. So line under B. Bhayan mucceta. Bhitastu. Again line under B. Muccetapanna. आपदः मुच्चेतापन्न आपदः. Okay, I will read whole stanza. Rogardo, sorry, Rogarto muccate rogat, Baddho muccet bandhanat, Bhayan muccet bhitastu, Muccetapanna apadaha. Okay, so I'll read the meaning also from Bhaktiman. Bhaktiman Yasadottaya is there, right? So from 5th stanza to 8th stanza. So the meaning is he who sings the 1,000 names of Vasudeva with utmost devotion after he rises in the morn with the mind tied in him always will get fame without fail, will be first in what he does, will get riches the last, would attain salvation from these bonds, will never be afraid of anything, will be bubbling with vim and valor, will not get any ills, will be handsome forever, will have all the virtues in this wide world, and he who is ill will get cured. He who is bound will be free. He who is afraid will get rid of fear. He who is in danger will be safe. Okay? Bhayan mucceta bhitastu. Muccetapanna apadaha. Apada ante telusu kada. So, okay. So if you have time, so read all the meanings also. I cannot tell each and every word meaning, right? So you all can read in the Google. So that way you will understand what Bhagavan is saying. Okay, you wanted to see us to do that. Okay, I will read from 107th one, and then we'll stop here. Okay, we all read together if you are okay, if you are comfortable. Okay. Sri Sarva Praharanayudha Om Nama Iti Vanamali Gadishangi Shankhi Chakri Chanandaki. So this one you have to Say 3 times, okay? Right now we are not doing because we are not doing from the beginning, right? That's why we are not doing. Shriman Narayano Vishnur Vasudevo Bhirakshatu Iti. This is called Palashruti. So I told you, right? Hearing of the benefits. इतीदं कीर्तनीयस्य केशवस्य महात्मनः नाम्नां सहस्रं दिव्यानाम् अशेषेण प्रकीर्तितं य इदं शृणुयात् नित्यं यश्चापि परिकीर्तयेत् नाशुभं प्राप्नुयात् किञ्चित् सोमुत्रेह च मानवः वेदान्तगो ब्राह्मणः स्यात् क्षत्रियो विजयी भवेत् वैश्यो धनसमृद्धः स्यात् शूद्र सुखमवाप्नुयात् धर्मार्थी प्राप्नुयात् धर्मम् अर्धार्थी चार्धमाप्नुयात् कामानवाप्नुयात् कामी प्रजार्थी चाप्नुयात् प्रजाः भक्तिमान्य सदोत्थाय शुचि सद्गतमानसः सहस्रं वासुदेवस्य नाम्नामेतत् प्रकीर्तयेत् यश प्राप्नोति विपुलं ज्ञाति प्राधान्यमेव च अचलां श्रियमाप्नोति श्रेय प्राप्नोत्यनुत्तमं न भयं क्वचिदाप्नोति वीर्यं तेजश्च विन्धति भवत्यरोगो द्युतिमान् बलरूप गुणान्वितः रोगार्तो मुच्यते रोगात् बद्धो मुच्येत बन्धनात् भयान्मुच्येत भीतस्तु मुच्येतापन्न आपदः. Okay, so we are stopping here. I think in a couple of weeks we are going to finish it off. So I think from next week we'll do Lakshmi Ashtottara Shatanama also. So we are going to learn that one from next week. Okay, I'm going to send the lyrics PDF in the group. Okay. Yes.